Here's the Summerween setup that I made last year. And my mom had this Jack O Lantern right here, and she wanted it to be painted white, and it had a little bit of rust spots on it where it had been outside. So I spray painted it white on the base, but I wanted to put black on the inside. So I did tape off the handle, and I had to maneuver some bags around it. So I put a bag around the white part while I spray painted the inside with the black spray paint. And then I needed to retouch up because there was overspray. So I put some tape on the inside and taped the eyes. So now you could see where it pops. But here is the finished product with some tropical flowers. And I wanted to do a little Summerween setup just to see what it would look like. But here is the final product. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what you think. Bye.